He's your sister. Phone lay phone it.
You play number.
11 is 2.
I'm sure to be the tower. My doubts, we have women who take the phone and
No van.
Hey, well, and I'm sure when you get a school in Seattle, so cool, man, I'm with you for now, be online.
Yeah, we're online for the it as it. I mean, I didn't text. Text on your one now, child. So something is going on. Okay, inside my life. Guys, I'm feeling Eddie.
Hello, guys.
Oh, yes, okay, like that.
I'm trying. I want to Tuesday. No change. I want to Tuesday. I don't get my life. Not gonna take you.
It's me, the fire.
I'm trying.
So it was Zombanat.
Bese masibuya.
Bese masibuya isikole. Oh, masibuya siyashuta bese siyahamba mina nawe. Saba sikhichile. Hi guys.
Umunye umeme esikela ngimqavula nomloya uhlangana namuthi hle ngicokuthuta nawe ngithi abantu bami baku TikTok bazingengeni isikole. Mamzosho ngabe ngicokile info. Bazothawu kanti ngiyafunda. Ngizame manje ngikhona.
Walile vele.
Ya, ngalelayo ke ngizoshuta nawe masijuyishile.
Saba.
Hello.
Hello, wina smile eteke kanjani la?
Angazi nani maybe yila mafonweni lawe enwasebenzisayo.
Maybe yiwa ne, yifake.
Hawa ungachief uthomile ma uzibambile.
Khulula uniform.
Kusasa ngiyo esikolweni.
Uyendodeni. Usomithi December engakafiki.
Angeke.
Oh yini wena?
Angeke.
Oh yini ovela wena abakusheli wena.
Yeah, bangisheli. Angishelwa mina.
Oh yini awukho interesting.
Ebafaneni.
Kwasa emantombazaneni uyachaza.
Yeah.
Boy.
Ayikho right.
Sharp boy.
Ubani loya uJanuary?
Ngoba nina lo. Nihlewazi.
Mama ngikho yona Stella. Yona Stella join wena sanyangidelela wena uphikisa ukhuluma ngami. Uyenza video.
Wenza video thini?
Yangidelela wena Stella.
Uthi wenza amara smile kamba.
Yangidelela wena.
Stella mina ngikufuna ku blind date.
Yeah, mfethu kumele ngifake, kumele enze into right smile mfethu.
Yeah, mina ngikufuna.
Take your lot mfethu, take your lot mfethu, yenza iplan mfethu. Yenza iplan mfethu.
Zovela next week mntana yami.
Ya ungasabi nje yami. Ungasabi. Zikhiphane ngada.
Yazi next intana just nje yazi hlezi sipush.
Paul, anigange lapha endlini, anigange nje lapha.
Babami lona.
Anigange lapha. Anigange.
Hayi.
Oh, ni relaxile nje. Baba
Yabona
take
mina-
lot, thatha
mina-
zonke.
Wena-
Thatha
wena-
zonke khe.
Uyekela ukuyenza ama-video ngamo na style. Okhathali yini?
Uthe ucela ivideo, azange wathi ucela ivideo Smile.
Ivideo so.
Ufuna enjani?
Beyikhipha nami ivideo sawubona mntwana yami.
Ungayenzi lento yenzayo Smile, ungayenzi lento. Ngifake ku blind dates ndoda, angeke ngisayenza ama video ngawo mfethu. Angeke ngisashaya ama video.
Fake nami.
Khululeka mama, khululeka. Ngifuna siphekane mina nawe kahle kahle. Ngiyapheka, ngiyangipheka. Lalela. Khululeka.
Lapha
Iphi-
ngiyakhale mina.
Khululeka. Iphi le out yakho?
Ikhona.
Ayakubulala Jole, ayakubulala le out Jo. Ayangibulala, hayi ungasa. Yenza into right ke macala, hayi. Awuthi ngithi Jope.
Khululeka mntwana yami.
Jabke.
Sasa ntwana message uzisifeni nale phone le siyibhayisile.
Before.
Le yakasiphula. So manje bani nosandela ngisho. So ngitshela dlule ekhembi bese siyayibhayisa. Okay, zara.
3 weeks ago uthe uzobuya kimi. Guys, I'm busy. Just understand ukuthi mangakwazi. Yabona manje angisekho na ku YouTube guys. Kushuta welihle nabo siphula nabo January. Mina angisatholi isikhathi. Angisatholi isikhathi. Yabona nabuthi nilele nyajola. Niba negative. That's why nina ngeke vele nize niye kude. Uzojola kanjani nomuntu osebenza naye? Uyabona inkinga manzoba ikhapuli yonke into vele imoshakala. So sebenzisana ingqondo sometimes thina asifani nani. Angisho nina guys, ngisho abantu abakhuluma izinto ezinegative. Yelahisa. Cela ngiphi intombi ohleli nayo uzikhulumele.
Ukhulekile namhlanje.
Ngilele since angazi nami singidlisa yini la. Are you coming to? Yes, we are coming to Middleburg.
Ulele uzobona.
Yabona nawe uvusa indaba manje.
Mina ngithulele. So obvious nawuzolala. Sikhathala nathi manje. Hello guys. Hi. KZN uzanini?
December. Ulihle papa siyabonga. Okusalayo uyambukela bese ukhomenta lenyongo.
Papa hona kopa 50 rand please.
Ningawanyanisela ama-cash stand abantu abangithandayo.
Hello ona.
Guys, mina I'm taking a break ku YouTube. So kuzokushuta we January everyday. Mina ngihlezi ngekho. Today mengilele khani ngifu.
Nawumubi.
Bayekela uyachuka.
Ungijokile yabo izwa ngina electric shock. Ayabanye bayahlala. We're in KZN Durban. We shoot every day.
Ayo mina nimi ngathi ngiyakhuluma la. Umvisa vela khupha ngazwa. Mangashi umuntu ne live. Ngithi
One PK pass.
ngicela ngitheke something. Hello Thando.
Hello.
Uzikhipha.
Skip.
Alright, yangistana oyintombazane. Yabo njengezinto ezisonga zifunduzeke. Umuntu akhoza isicedile idatha. Hayibo umuntu siyamfaka uyathula bese yahamba.
Lihleza. Igama laka Lihleza selithi mina sesigela Lihleza wazi ukuthi wekuphela umbiza ngolihleza.
Spool. Ayazi uzomrasela abanye. Spool already. Request cancelled. Usicabangile ubonile ukuthi hayi izongipha inkinga. Uvela sicabanga ukuthi awulihleza mase journal.
Ufonela wena.
Angifuni ngizosho.
Ewa lo energy.
Miyeke.
Hi. Thank you. Kunye kusasesikoleni siyazi. Are you guys coming to Kempton Park? Kempton Park sindlula khona everything.
Manje kunama event engakho.
Lihleza is my nickname. Okay, hi Lihleza.
Angithi
1,
sicala la 1
okay,
sibuye 2
2,
3 4 5 plus 6 baqeda ngifake sakani mfana. So ingakufika 7.
Yeah. Lihleza.
Kule weekend akuna ukuthi kuzobhoka la kuzobe kumhlolo she. Msho ukuthi vele December asikhohlweni. Guys, nani commenta fast you.
Umunye sicela simcasha be i-bodyguard yethu.
Ndlulile. Nani commenta fast. Hey guys, if asifuna comment futhi.
On the floor. Wonke umuntu.
What time? Guys, ngabo 2 sizobe silapho. Sizobe Middleburg ngabo 2. Shaya imoto. One of the best content. Thank you.
Wonke umuntu on the floor. Uphutshene wa usikoleni ushiye esikoleni. Ayasimaza uDolo kuphi usekiwo. Wonke umuntu on the floor. Sa. Sozani Alex. On the floor.
Asay travel about from kusasa.
So pula Monday.
So na fine chichi. Tuesday nyama Tuesday.
And then it's basically weird.
You were Tuesday.
It's fun to see.
Yeah.
It's fun to see.
Listen.
Sasa makani.
Wednesday umuntu kathi. What you can do.
Benglele
So
guys.
for Smile Entertainment I'm working on it. Okay. Ngiyilo vas Paul.
Uze ne tights like piece now accept. On the floor.
Katika mbadi yo.
Uva.
Kaningena la ndlini.
Kepis ndona bebewe yesibonini leza mzinjani. Aye, what yo?
Phela naye idade ngomele ngilani khani ngibe juice.
Yo, wawubuye late kai.
Ngiviolate. Esmayila udlala Sarafina lapho.
Wait.
Oh, thank you Talo.
Ikhona iSarafina ku Apple Music konje.
Plaza sikubona.
Ngiyazwakala ngasikudala ngisa relaxisa umzimba 2 minutes mara ngizara.
Sina sithi kubona ku live.
Hayi efonini akusiyimi AI.
Hi.
Hello, angeni lapho khona.
Hello Kayla. How are you? Why can't you vula ama camera wenu?
Akusithi la AI man.
Hi Nobuhle. Jwale. Shit, I mean. Take a bro. How are you? I'm good. And how are you? Nti, ngicabanga speed base basibeka active TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a
Okay.
gang side. I'm a gang side.
Smile Nah. Nakinali the module and schedules.
Abafuna ukujoina iSmile Entertainment. I-application 100 rand sendani kimi. Yima ngisela ukuthi accept or reject.
Helinya ka hutiba ka diphirita entertainment le buti seng.
Ulihleza angahlanza zonke.
Lihleza wakapa.
Lihle wakapa. On the press my only next guys. You team lento le aksi group or entertainment.
Abatshele la.
Phela we ungakhuluma.
Akuna next.
Wena Smile sengibonile into angakho phela ngifonela usiya.
You guys are having your own conversation.
Ukuthi babe ngifike lizo lebusuku mfana. Babe ngifike lizo lebusuku.
Kuyifikele mfana.
Uyo kusasa le.
Yeah, feed on.
Shit, I mean.
Ngiyabuya ke.
Trash coming.
Kayla.
Hi, Smiley.
Young people. How you doing?
I'm getting it.
Wait, are you bored? Or are you bored?
Yeah, kinda.
Where do you stay, Kayla?
Where is Daisy? In my land.
Bramley.
Go on, so. Where is Bradley?
It's right opposite Sentence.
Mzile King. My text.
Please, keep But Smiley, thank you. Deep Zawata. Say lang the gift ke le boteng di period entertainment.
Hey.
Ngeke katsai, guys, bengekho ngalesikhathi. Boku ngalesikhathi. Thank you, Fanako. Kasi Lifestyle. 2 perfumes, thank you. Can't wait for the 5th November. Sisikelela.
Ay November, October. Man.
You order them inbox. Madamini Life, you and Binyaka dating for real. No. Smile.
Text me.
What's his smile? Please help me. Bom 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 bom
Moto mucho chimsunethi sisithule sikubhere. Uyasipora.
Lapha kana namukolo le1. Mangwani pretty face, it's a pretty face just like the video. Yo, please follow on Entertainment, Young Babies Entertainment. Thank you for the lifestyle for the gift.
Keep sending there.
Keep sending girl with NDP. Yo, lihle o batla go tshwana ka yona e tswang mo ena.
Guys, name phone limang live, please. Yes,
Basabetsi ngwana yes. Tseni nyaka manyara phela le yazi ukuthi ngiyathanda. Not wena ke bua ka ole roga. Re tlo mo jima shego. Ka sacrifice ka yena. I still dating my bala Shikwembu. No.
One Shikwembu man.
Omunye usebenza passport lesibili.
Seza.
Yes, listen. Ngishebile bese banibhadala passport from July to November. Masenza ukubhala. Ikisho style bese. Kijama twins. Concrete wet. Ratatata. Send a 200 entertainment. Hi.
How are you?
You look so pretty.
Thank you so much. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good.
Yes.
Asimbulalen.
Don't mind him. But you look pretty, hey? Where are you located?
Pretoria.
Yo, I'm gonna marry you. You also here in Gauteng. Like, oh my gosh, she's so pretty. You look like an AI image.
Guys, let's plan time soon. Thank you, Yolanda.
Guys, comment Asne.
Singavumeli ukuluza. Singavumi. You must not allow that.
Guys, let's comment
Losing is not an option. Asikufuni log.
You look like Betty.
Guys, mfana watu tembele ku. Asne. Guys, comment Asne.
No,
and
I'm
send
not
flowers.
ready.
You are Zulu like
Zulu. Lento yakho yokufly. No, I'm sorry. Lento yakho yokuflala wena nation. Ungangisizi, unganginiki imani gani, unganginiki ngisho. Ubabonjani?
Mfana uzorelaxenyana uzongisanela ama-gift asifika laphaya something. Guys, asithepeni maye fast. Ngiyangazi mina mangadliwa la ngicima live ngihlala 6 months engasabi live.
Chachusa. Eregete. Akile bone ka besa le nkebe gape. Thomila besa ka ntshentse. Ba re ka go ka la ba. Modimo ka mogolo ka sarana. Ke tao ye mo ke na le access. Kana go 99. Pula ke 55.
Asne.
Bala ke tsene kana go 95. Bansola. Bakilala ke mochacho umpile ka hanga ke pandara debe. Ya khanya ke mudira waswana phile ke lebili bachi. Bantazi pana ki TikTok a o tlo fitla mo come closer le paga nation. Usesikoleni kunyeke. Arafela limo sele night day. Omudirana Can you talk to me, Sheza? I'm listening, guys.
Oh, guys, ne. Ngiyabaza abantu abaso abathembi so guys asifikeni ku 1K guys. abaphethe ama-gift comment 1 cala ngifuna ukunika show abanama-gift comment 1 ongana-gift ungacomment one-gift comment ukuthi 1 I want to see something nyabaza baso banokuhlasela ngama-last minute mfana yeah now yeah guys ne mayishi 30 seconds ngitshela mama ngithi bulala niyabulala ne guys yabo ngiyanithanda nina wayo yo
Ngiyabonga.
Hi, baby. Hi, Diva. How are you doing?
No, I'm sorry.
guys aseni kusebona right at least because of was umsendela imani kani it's shy 14 when I coming to Middleburg says a weekend delay Saturday ngo2 making sure ngizobe lapho because of ngo5 sahamba inkinga
Middleburg.
unblock my ningangifonelini ke live alibona
Lebogang, thank you. It's your first time gifting, yo? Hi, shame. Shooting you. You keep on my first time gifters. Guys, that's is nice, baby. Keep on my first time gifter. You're welcome. Thank you, Lebo.
guys asiye nama-gift bulalan hey ngikhohliwe I forgot guys that is
Inkinga.
noma ungaba muhle sokushaya sinengi amantombazane amoshelana i-reputation amantombazane asinengi
Samba straight.
I'll live this life to block someone.
Stay online today. Pendulum no smile. That is your sister. Tell me that you text me about Friday.
Hi Siri. Asnen. No, in the name of Jesus. Hi Siri. Check. Kosani Matumi. Matumi ngisendele tawo. Wena mlungu no. Don't curse me. My wife guys, manje ngifonela ngibhizi ngiyaniblock hayi.
Lekgowa.
Hello.
Ushapo Lekgowa.
I don't know what to say.
How are you? Are you good?
Hi, I'm very cultured, please.
I'm also good.
Aslen. Mga pugdala. Inkinga. Yung problem. Hey, no.
Check a bro.
Asha. Oh,
thank you. Salam alaikum. Everything good?
Okay.
Nothing is good.
Okay, so phone ani na nakapal. Iman guys, let's check it. Asim sayo.
How are you, Mohammed? Mohammed, I'm talking to you. You even laughing, like, what the heck?
Yeah, well. This is your coin.
You don't want to talk to me, Mohammed? I will talk to my people because Mohammed doesn't want a wife like me. I want husband like you, white husband.
Oh no, okay nga na mong anak ikas. Reserva. What is right now?
I did not go here home, Bilo. Here is it all home.
Oh,
Mohammed, you see you don't want me to be your wife. That's why I'm going to lose this game. If I was your wife, you're gonna win. Because every single time that you see beautiful price. Like, I'm much more beautiful. When you remember the gift detail so. Because Mohammed Banya came side when yellow bone. Or when you come side Edity never got a so one again. Hi Candaso. Hi TK Terminator TF. Hey Visa. When will you drop like this? Tomorrow I'm dropping. Ukraine, yes, how are you? Ala ufuna uvandala. Akangifuni umlungu, akabafuni like yena mina ngifuna amadoda afana naye like amhlophe. Like mamletha baba ngilethele ngifuna.
Where did you drop blind date? Tomorrow we are dropping.